The Forward Culinary Experience is a 2-day training. We come and we gather in chefs, usually 20 to 24 chefs. Each chef gets their own recipe, so we have 24 chefs making 24 recipes, which creates a lot of food. We'll make the food and then we have it for lunch. We serve it and have everyone taste it. It's just a great experience.
For the second day, we're doing a feast lunch where we're inviting all of our clients to come and try the food that was prepared at lunchtime. It's a great opportunity for the chefs and for the clients to interact, where the chefs can talk about what did they prepare and how the ingredients and how they created these delicious meals from scratch.
I love all different types of food, so it gave me a better opportunity to understand it better and to really to focus on it and to put all the other foods aside for a few days and really focus on vegan and dissecting and having the opportunity to work with the different chefs from our different units, as well as Chef Wanda. Everybody's got their little tricks of the trade, and it gives you a good opportunity to see those tricks, take them back to your unit and incorporate them.
We're looking for introducing healthy food options to our students, to our faculty, and show them how amazing plant-based food options can be and how healthy it can be.
When people talk about, oh, that vegan food and so on and so forth, and I just tell people, if you just drop that vegan word and call it good food, that's what we're about, and that's what the Forward Food program is about, is making good food with plants, vegetables, potatoes, carrots, all the good things.